Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant that reigns supreme. It's a swirling world of storms and mysteries. Jupiter captivates us with its beauty and power. Since ancient times, humans have gazed up at Jupiter. We've watched it wander against the backdrop of stars. It's no wonder that this majestic planet earned a special place in our hearts and minds. Jupiter is more than just a bright light in our night sky. It's a fascinating world that continues to amaze us. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the wonders of the King of Planets. Jupiter's size is truly awe-inspiring. This gas giant is the largest planet in our solar system, a behemoth that dwarfs all others. Its sheer size and mass have fascinated astronomers for centuries. Imagine this, over 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. To put that into perspective, if Earth were the size of a marble, Jupiter would be a basketball. This comparison helps us grasp just how enormous Jupiter really is. That's how massive this giant truly is. Its volume is so vast that it could contain all the other planets in the solar system combined with room to spare. If you were to shrink our sun down to the size of a basketball, Jupiter would be like a grape next to it. This analogy highlights the scale difference between the Sun and Jupiter, yet Jupiter remains a giant in its own right. But Jupiter isn't a solid planet like Earth. Unlike our rocky home, Jupiter is a gas giant, lacking a solid surface. This means you couldn't stand on Jupiter as you would on Earth. It's a gas giant, which means it's mostly made up of swirling gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. These gases are in constant motion, creating a dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere. These gases create Jupiter's colorful and turbulent atmosphere. The planet is adorned with bands of clouds that stretch across its surface, each band representing different layers of the atmosphere. Imagine bands of vibrant yellows, oranges, and reds constantly shifting and churning. These colors are the result of complex chemical reactions and the movement of gases within Jupiter's atmosphere. These bands are actually jet streams, powerful winds that whip around Jupiter at incredible speeds. Some of these winds can reach speeds of over 300 miles per hour, far surpassing any storm on Earth. They create the stunning patterns we see in Jupiter's clouds. These intricate designs are a result of the interplay between the planet's rapid rotation and its atmospheric dynamics. These storms can last for centuries, a testament to the immense power of this giant planet. The Great Red Spot, for example, is a colossal storm that has been raging for at least 400 years, showcasing Jupiter's relentless and powerful nature. One of the most recognizable features of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. This massive storm has captured the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike for generations. Its striking red hue and enormous size make it a standout feature on the gas giant. This isn't just any storm, it's a colossal hurricane that has been raging for centuries. The Great Red Spot is a high-pressure region in Jupiter's atmosphere, producing winds that can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. These winds create a mesmerizing, swirling pattern that has been observed and studied for hundreds of years. Imagine a storm so large that it could swallow Earth whole. That's the Great Red Spot. To put it into perspective, this storm is about 1.3 times the diameter of Earth. If you were to place Earth inside the Great Red Spot, it would be completely engulfed by this massive tempest. Scientists believe the Great Red Spot has been active for at least 300 years. Historical observations date back to the 17th century, with the first recorded sighting by astronomer Giovanni Cassini in 1665. Since then, it has been a subject of continuous study and fascination. Just think about that for a moment. Generations have come and gone while this massive storm has continued to swirl in Jupiter's atmosphere. Throughout human history, from the Age of Enlightenment to the modern era, the Great Red Spot has been a constant, churning away in the vastness of space. Over time, the Great Red Spot has changed in size and intensity. In the late 19th century, it was estimated to be about 25,000 miles across. However, recent measurements show that it has shrunk to approximately 10,000 miles in diameter. Despite this reduction in size, it remains a formidable and awe-inspiring feature. Currently, it's about twice the diameter of Earth, but it has shrunk in recent years. Scientists are closely monitoring these changes to understand the dynamics of this giant storm better. The reasons behind its shrinking size are still being investigated, but it continues to be a subject of great interest. Why is it red? Scientists are still unraveling that mystery. Theories suggest that the red color could be due to complex organic molecules, red phosphorus or other chemicals being lifted from deeper within Jupiter's atmosphere and reacting with sunlight. Some believe it's due to chemicals being dredged up from Jupiter's depths. These chemicals might interact with ultraviolet light from the sun, creating the distinctive red color. As we continue to explore and study Jupiter, the Great Red Spot remains one of the most intriguing and enduring mysteries of our solar system. Jupiter isn't just a giant planet, it's a mini solar system all on its own. This gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, has a gravitational pull so strong that it has captured a vast number of moons in its orbit. It boasts a family of over 79 moons. These moons vary greatly in size, composition, and characteristics, making Jupiter a fascinating subject of study for astronomers and scientists alike. But among them, 4 stand out: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These 4 moons are known as the Galilean moons, named after the astronomer Galileo Galilei, who first observed them in 1610. These are the Galilean moons, named after Galileo Galilei, who observed them in the 17th century. His discovery was groundbreaking as it provided evidence that not everything orbits the Earth, challenging the geocentric model of the universe. Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Its surface is dotted with hundreds of volcanoes, some of which are constantly erupting. Imagine volcanoes erupting with plumes of sulfur reaching hundreds of kilometers high. The intense volcanic activity is due to the immense gravitational forces exerted by Jupiter and the other Galilean moons, causing Io's interior to heat up. Europa, on the other hand, is a world of ice. Its surface is a frozen crust of water ice, crisscrossed by a network of cracks and ridges. Beneath its icy surface, scientists believe there is a vast ocean that could potentially harbor life. This subsurface ocean is kept warm by the tidal forces exerted by Jupiter, which create friction and heat within Europa's interior. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. It is so large that it has its own magnetic field, a feature unique among moons. It has its own magnetic field and a very thin atmosphere. Ganymede's magnetic field is likely generated by a liquid iron or iron sulfide core, similar to Earth's. Callisto, the outermost of the 4, is a heavily cratered world, bearing the scars of countless impacts. Its surface is one of the oldest and most heavily cratered in the solar system, providing a window into the early history of our planetary neighborhood. These 4 moons are like a mini solar system, each with its own unique characteristics. From Io's fiery volcanoes to Europa's hidden ocean, Ganymede's magnetic field to Callisto's ancient craters, they offer a glimpse into the diverse and dynamic nature of our solar system. Section 5. Jupiter's protective embrace. Jupiter plays a crucial role in our solar system. It's like a giant bodyguard, protecting Earth and the inner planets from comets and asteroids. Because of its immense gravity, Jupiter acts like a gravitational vacuum cleaner, attracting and deflecting objects that could potentially collide with Earth. Without Jupiter, our solar system would be a much more chaotic place. Scientists believe that Jupiter's gravity helped to shape the early solar system, shaping the orbits of the planets and clearing out debris. Even today, Jupiter continues to play a vital role in protecting us from cosmic threats. So the next time you look up at Jupiter, remember that this giant planet is not just a beautiful sight, it's also a guardian of our cosmic neighborhood. Section 6. Unveiling Jupiter's secrets. We've learned a lot about Jupiter over the centuries, but there are still many mysteries waiting to be uncovered. That's why space agencies around the world continue to send missions to Jupiter to study this fascinating planet. In 2016, NASA's Juno spacecraft arrived at Jupiter and began orbiting the planet, sending back incredible images and data. Juno's mission is to peer beneath Jupiter's clouds and help us understand what lies beneath. Juno has already made some groundbreaking discoveries, such as revealing the complex structure of Jupiter's atmosphere and magnetic field. And there are sure to be many more discoveries to come as Juno continues its mission. Section 7. Jupiter. A window to the past and future. Studying Jupiter doesn't just teach us about our solar system, it also provides clues about the formation of planets around other stars. By understanding how Jupiter formed and evolved, we can gain insights into the processes that shape planetary systems throughout the universe. Jupiter is a reminder that we live in a vast and awe-inspiring cosmos. It's a place of endless wonder and discovery, and there is still so much more to learn about our universe. By studying Jupiter, we are not just unraveling the secrets of a giant planet, we are also gaining a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Section 8. Keep looking up. So the next time you have a clear night, step outside and look up at Jupiter. Let its brilliance captivate you and its mysteries inspire you. Remember that this giant planet is more than just a celestial object, it's a testament to the power and beauty of the universe we live in. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe is full of amazing things waiting to be discovered. Who knows what other secrets Jupiter and the cosmos hold? The journey of exploration continues.